Lupain ang ginto't bulaklak, pag-ibig ang sa kanyang palad.
Kasi po, pag hindi kayo bumaba dyan, hindi rin po kami titigil dito. Hanggat nandiyan kayo, naririto kami.
Good afternoon, brothers and
Mga may bibigay yung hinihiling.
that they are but weak and frail human beings. Stir up in them the grace of their vocation, which is in them by the imposition of the bishop's hands. Keep them close to you, lest the enemy prevail against them, so that they may never do anything in the slightest degree unworthy of their sublime vocation. O Jesus, I pray for your faithful and fervent priests, for your unfaithful and tepid priests, for your priests laboring at home or abroad in distant Christian fields, for your tempted priests, for the lonely and desolate priests, for your dying priests, for your young priests, for the souls of your priests in purgatory. But above all, I commend to you the priests dearest to me, the priests who baptized me, the priests who absolved me from my sins, the priests at whose masses I assisted, and who gave me